100 degrees. These are the stones that sent me from UKSG. That stands for Ukraine Knife Sharpening and Grinding Tools. Let's go. Let's go to the next one. You can use these stones wet with soapy water or dry. Will be 325. Let's go. This one will be 650. That's it. 3,000. But with this 3,000, I will only remove the burr. And the last thing, I will use leather with compound. And it's done. A towel test. Do you see? Let me show you. Sorry, that was my fault. Again. Just removing the burr with 3,000, you will get a nice bevel, almost mirror finish. It's insane how good these stones work.